One of the most exciting aspects of traveling is trying local foods. I'm always eager to explore the culinary delights of the places I visit. During a trip to Japan, I had the opportunity to taste authentic sushi. The freshness of the fish and the skill of the chef were unparalleled. I also tried tempura and ramen, and I was amazed by the unique flavors. In Thailand, I indulged in a street food feast. Pad Thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice were some of the dishes I couldn't resist. The spicy and sweet flavors were a true treat for my taste buds. Italy, of course, is a haven for food lovers. I savored creamy gelato in Rome, enjoyed the perfect Neapolitan pizza in Naples, and relished the flavors of homemade pasta in Tuscany. In Mexico, I explored the vibrant world of tacos. The variety of fillings and salsas made every meal an adventure. I also tried authentic mole sauce, which was a delightful explosion of flavors. Trying local foods while traveling is a cultural and culinary journey. It allows me to connect with the people and traditions of the place and creates lasting memories of the trip.